Hello, Sir Yosef. We are from Group 2. We would like to present our terrarium project. Next slide. This is our members. There are Aisyah Isaura R, Benov, Pramana, Florenza Natania, and Gadis. Okay, first is what is terrarium? Terrarium is a small ecosystem that grow inside a glass container, usually content of plant and small plants like succulents, moss, and tropical plants, and it can be used for decoration, education, or relaxation. There are two types of terrarium. The first is open terrarium. Open terrarium is have an opening allowing air circulation and promoting the drier conditions and making them suitable for plants like succulents and cacti. And the second is closed terrariums. Closed terrarium are sealed, creating a humid environment ideal for moisture-loving plants like ferns and also the mosses. Next slide. Okay, this slide will be explained by Florenza.
So what benefit making terrarium? The first one is encourage creativity. The second one is help reduce stress. Third is great for learning about ecosystem. Fourth adds beauty to any rooms. And five is our less is low maintenance. Next, please. And the material needed, we need to provide the jar, small pebbles, potting soil, moss, animal, and plant. Next, please.
And this slide, step to make terrarium. The first, place a layer of small pebbles and sand at the bottom of the container. Next, add sand on the top of small pebbles. And third, add soil on the top of the sand. The fourth, add moss on the top of the soil. The five, add the plant. And the last, add decoration on top. Next slide. This tips for terrarium care. Once your terrarium is ready, it's important to take good care for it. The first, place it in the right light. Terrarium need light to help the plants grow, but the direct sunlight can be too harsh and might cause the plant to dry out or burn. And the second, water only when the soil feels dry. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes. Use your finger to check the soil. If it feels dry, then it's time to water. Otherwise, just leave it. By following these two simple tips, your terrarium can stay hot and beautiful for a long time.
And this is a video footage of our terrarium, and we spray the terrarium for get enough water in 2 weeks. And then next we will share our video tutorial of how to making terrarium. Okay, so first, after we get briefing from our Sir Yosef Manik, our lecturer, and we already prepared the materials that mentioned before to make a terrarium. And then the first step is we place a layer of small pebbles and we place it at the bottom of the jar. These layers help with drainage so excess water doesn't stay in the soil and causes root rot. And we make a few layer of small pebbles. We use two different types of small pebbles. And the next step is we add some sand on the top of the small pebbles because sand adds an extra filtration layer separating the pebbles from soil and grow. Make sure it's suitable for the type of plant you're using. And then we spray the water on the top of the soil, and we put moss on the top of the soil because moss helps retain moisture and adds a lush green look. It also prevents the soil from shifting around. And the next step is we add the plant. Dig a small hole in the soil and gently place the plant in it, cover the roots, and press the soil lightly. And last but not least, we add the decoration on top, finishing by adding stones, minifigures, and then we add some plants. So that's how to make a terrarium by our fashion. And here's the final look. How about the project of group 2? Is that good or maybe can add more additional?
Okay.
So this is the final condition of our terrarium after 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. Okay, so that's the final look of our terrarium after 2 weeks, and we routinely spray the terrarium to keep it grow and put it outside to get the UV. That's it from us. May our presentation is clear and can give you more education. Thank you.